Hello guys, this is Avijit and you are watching the Android. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can get iOS style WhatsApp in your any Android device. So without wasting any more time, let's go for it. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for instant notifications. And believe me guys, I tried lots of applications earlier, but this application is working very well from all of them. And if you want to install this application on your Android device, so you have to go to the description and follow the link which is given in the description and download the APK file of this application. And if you are installing APK file for very first time, you might get unknown sources error. So for that you have to go to your device settings and enable the unknown sources and install this application without any interruption. After installing this application, open it up and congrats, you have successfully installed iOS WhatsApp in your Android device. And the best part is this WhatsApp application is completely modded on original WhatsApp APK. And we all know that if you use any modded WhatsApp application, then there is a risk of privacy. But in terms of this application, you have a little risk of the privacy because this application is modded on original WhatsApp. So now let's come on the application, and you will get stories option at top of this application, and you will get other options like call, camera, settings at the bottom. And I do not think there is a need to tell more about some WhatsApp application because you already know about it. And I have been using this application for almost 10 to 15 days and I have enjoyed this application very much. And I believe if you use this WhatsApp application among your friends, then those people will be amazed too. So guys, that's it for this video and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give a like to this video, and if you have any questions, please ask me in comment section. And I'm your host Avijit and I am signing off.